Hey everyone, so today I'm going to guide you on how to handle payment limits on InfinitePay.io. Understanding and managing payment limits ensures smooth transactions within your financial boundaries. So let's get started. To begin with, log into your InfinitePay.io account using your username and password. And then navigate to the settings or account limits section. This is where you can view and manage your payment limits. Review the current payment limits set on your account. These limits may vary based on factors like account verification status and your transaction history. If you need to increase your payment limits, look for an option such as increase limits or request limit increase. Follow the prompts to submit a request. Provide any required documentation or information to support your request for a higher payment limit. This may include verifying your identity or providing financial statements. Alternatively, if you need to decrease your payment limits for security or budgeting reasons, look for an option to decrease limits or adjust settings accordingly. Once your request is submitted, monitor your account or check for notifications from InfinitePay.io regarding the status of your limit adjustment. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to handle payment limits on InfinitePay.io. Managing your limits helps ensure financial security and compliance with your transaction needs. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and also see you next time.